Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Topstep promo codes. Alright, so let's begin. If you're looking for the newest Topstep promo codes that actually work right now, here's what you need to know. Topstep regularly releases verified promo codes through their official website and email newsletter. So the first and most reliable place to check is topstep.com, especially the promotions section or homepage banners. They usually highlight any active discounts there. For 2026, some commonly circulating codes you can try include Trade 25, Start 25, Start 50, and Fund Me 40. These codes typically offer between 25% and 50% off your first trading combine evaluation or subscription fee. However, availability can change quickly, and not all codes work for every account type or region. Another place where traders often check for updated codes is Simply Codes under the Topstep store page. These third-party coupon platforms sometimes list recently verified or user-submitted promo codes. Keep in mind that not every code listed there is guaranteed to work, so you may need to test a couple. Topstep also offers bigger promotions during major trading seasons and events. For example, New Year promotions, earnings season campaigns, and Black Friday deals. Pro tip: if you're already a Topstep user, check your email inbox and your dashboard notifications. Returning or inactive traders sometimes receive private reactivation codes. These codes are often exclusive and won't be publicly listed anywhere else. Also, make sure you read the terms of each promo code carefully. Some apply only to specific account sizes or first-time purchases, while others may not stack with ongoing promotions. And that's it. This is how you can get Topstep promo codes. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.